What up YouTube, Mike here, Padbangers.com, today with a new tutorial. And this tutorial is about recording your internal audio from your computer into your audio application. And the tool I'm using here is a virtual audio driver called Virtual Cable, which comes from Skylife, the people who also did the great SampleRobot software. And it's really easy to set it up, and I will give you a quick walkthrough and show you how to set it up. So let's go. First of all, what we need is a little software that comes with the driver, which is called Instrument Host. It comes in 32 and 64-bit. As you can see, I already did some routing here, but I will disconnect this real quick and I will guide you through all this. Now, first of all, I have to say, when I installed the driver, my virus scanner popped up and alarmed me that something's going on. But I talked to the guy from Skylife, and there's really nothing to worry about. It's just because some files on the registry and stuff like that getting modified. And I'm running this for now like 1 week, and I had no problems at all. So it's totally safe. You can trust the software, and if your virus scanner won't let you install the software, just disable it for a couple of minutes until you're done. Okay, so now let's get started. As you can see, these are 4 virtual stereo in and outputs you can use. You can also use MIDI input to route it between applications, and you can do lots of crazy stuff with it. But to set up a simple internal loopback function, if you want to sample from your browser, from YouTube, or record a CD that plays in your laptop drive or something like that, it's really easy. I'm going to show you. So my audio player here is Winamp, and let's go to the config here. Go to my output, plugins, direct sound output, and configure. And now you can see here where it says primary sound driver. I'm gonna choose something different, and now you have a bunch of options from SampleRobot. You have 4 audio outputs you can route the signal to. So I'm going to route this to audio 1. Okay. So now Winamp is routing it to output 1, and here in my instrument host, I'm going to options, change settings for first stream, and my input needs to be SampleRobot audio 1. So now Winamp goes out and goes here into the first stream. Now on the output, I want to choose another SampleRobot audio, so I'm choose SampleRobot audio 2. Okay, and let's see if we got a signal if I play something here. I'm going to close this and let's play it. And as you can see, here's coming an input signal. Alright, so now I'm gonna close this, and here you can set up your sample rate, audio buffer size, MIDI output, all stuff right in the options. And now I just draw the wire from input to output. Alright, so now I'm switching to my recording software, and I go here to my settings, audio, and now for my standard input, I need to set it up to this audio output, which is SampleRobot audio 2. Hit OK. So when I now create a new project here, and I arm my first track for recording, so when I now start Winamp, what happens is it goes out to my virtual driver, routes it back to my virtual driver, and send it right here into my recording software. So if I hit play, I should get a signal right here. Let's check it out. And this is working. So now I could just record anything that comes with Winamp. Either it's a CD track in my CD-ROM drive, or if you go ahead and change your main output to a virtual audio driver, you could also record everything that runs through your primary sound card, which is your browser or any other audio application that runs that driver. So you can record almost anything from your computer. One thing left to do is you can't hear anything yet because there's nothing going out to your speakers. So we're going back to the instruments host and change settings for the second stream. And now here, as for my input, I also want to have SampleRobot Audio 1, so the virtual input, but I want to route it to the complete Audio 6 main output, which is my audio interface that sends audio straight out to my speakers. So if I hit play here, now we should get a signal in the recording software and we should hear something from the speakers. So let's check this out. Alright, we got a test signal right here, and of course I need to draw the wires to hear something. And one more time, let's check it out. It's working. So that's it so far. One more thing left to say: if you're using Machine, Studio One, or any other software that uses your audio interface's ASIO driver, you can't route virtual cable to your ASIO driver because it's a locked driver. If you want to record from your CD drive or from your browser straight into your DAW that uses ASIO, you need to switch that ASIO driver to ASIO for all, which gives you access to the virtual cable. And that's it. Pretty easy. You just change your ASIO driver and you got the same options right here. You go to your third stream maybe and you choose this to ASIO, and you got your settings right here for ASIO for all. That's it. I hope you like this. Hope this helps you guys out, and see you next time. Bye.